Right, so today's been an absolutely wonderful day. I'm currently on a car ferry, because as some of you know, I live in the Isle of Wight, which is a rock, basically, in the middle of the English Channel, which is completely disconnected from everything else in the world. So hopefully the whole trip's going to go reasonably smoothly, because I was already tired before I even left my house. I just hope this trip's going to be nice and quick, and I hope my chauffeur shows up on time, because if not, it's going to be a very bad day. Well, the question is, I'm off the car ferry, but where on earth is my chauffeur? He's late. Always late. No, I'm kidding. He's actually on time usually. But, there we go. Bang on time. Walk out the exit. Here he comes. Hello, Brexit.
My car wasn't built for this road.
Did you have a nice drive?
Yes, alright, okay.
Oh, man. How long did it take you to get down here?
Hour and 40.
That's not bad, is it? I thought it'd be a bit longer than that, to be honest. You got a bag of crisps here. Oh, they're peanuts. Pistachios. Why is that the only thing in your food? So we got my good buddy Brexit. He's going to be my chauffeur for the day. It's a bit below his pay grade, but he's a good citizen. So we're currently in the city of Portsmouth, and we're going to some dump in the middle of nowhere called Witney, which we basically say is Oxford because that makes it sound more classy.
Suburb of Oxford.
Suburb of Oxford. I suppose you like the opportunity to drive on the motorway, I'd assume.
Yes.
Oh, it's dangerous. You can feel the wind on it. Yeah, if you're ever driving in a soft top car, do not stick your fucking camera out the top. You can feel it just pulling away at your hand like, bye. Like, I send them an email saying, these are all the documents I've got, and they're like, well, it sounds sufficient, but every case is done on a case-by-case basis. You might get fucked. Like, well, I've only come from the Isle of fucking Wight.
It's a Mustang behind us.
Mustang? Oh, where?
Orange.
Oh, yeah, there is. I saw that earlier. I embarrass him. He has to wear his glasses. It's right, well, when I'm rich and famous, then you'll be less embarrassed, won't you? Is it in my pocket? Oh, there we go. There's the Mustang. Wonderful. Very nice.
Lotus released their new car today, or yesterday.
Oh, really? Very nice. Is that what you're thinking about getting? What's the price?
60,000. It's actually pretty good for a baby supercar.
60,000? I'm not rich. Speed cameras.
It's normal, they have to be bright yellow and visible.
Oh, that's a rule.
I think so.
They have to be bright yellow, and he still manages to get caught within 30 seconds of buying his car.
It's probably less than that.
Probably less.
What was the first left turn? I hadn't even made a right turn yet.
This is a brilliant story. What do I have to do at the office? So China is the only country on earth that doesn't recognise legalised documents from the government in any country. So you have to go to a lawyer, have it notarised, which basically means they put a sticker on it. Then you send it on to the Foreign and Commonwealth Office, where they put a sticker from the government saying, yeah, it's real. And China's just like, well, we don't recognise other people's documents, so you've now got to do it again through us. And by the way, it's £200. So, yeah, it costs more to get China to recognise your documents than it does to actually get the documents and get them recognised twice by two other government agencies. So, yeah, basically the paper in my bag is going to be worth about £700, which is pretty ridiculous. But when I get to China and I get to have some fucking Chinese food for 50p, I guess I'll stop complaining by then.
Smart car, right? Alright.
Very nice. Fun fact, if you go and work for Lidl as an area manager and you pass their training program, they buy you an Audi R8 as part of your fucking deal when you get the job. It's ridiculous.
Really?
Yeah, seriously, they'll buy you an Audi R8. Got some coppers up there, waiting to give Brexit his next speeding ticket. But I reckon we'll be alright. Blue skies. More great British countryside. experience, what's the best takeaway you've got in your little town? Have you tested
a Thai restaurant?
There's a Thai restaurant, takeaway?
Yes.
I've never even had Thai food, you know? What's it like?
It's like curry. It's like a mix between Chinese and Indian.
Chinese and Indian, that sounds
Like
alright.
It's like an in-between kind of.
Yeah, sounds good. Huh? Why not?
That's too much for me.
It's too much for Will to take the camera into Sainsbury's. He's getting embarrassed.
Yeah.
If you bribe me with something nice, I'll leave the camera in the car.
You can have ciders of your choice.
Alright. And we're getting a takeaway. And we're getting a takeaway.
You can have a takeaway of your choice.
Oh, right, alright. I guess that's enough of a bribe, isn't it? Ah. And here we go, getting off the motorway into the dump known as Whitney.
No, it's still 15 miles away.
15 miles away? Oh shit, well it says Whitney on the sign, that's good enough for me. Is this fucking Paramore or something?
No, it's the same song I told you telling you about before. It's
That girl no one knows she's on the charts now.
yeah, just be on the charts for like months.
Yeah.
India, Rodrigo.
Definitely, and I said before probably I got
Yeah.
Paramore vibes.
Yeah, that's right.
Here we are, back in the fucking countryside. Some nice classic English houses.
Every time I feel like, oh no, my car's getting a little bit damaged, scratched, but I remember, wait, it only takes me like a month's pay to buy another one of these. When I first bought this, it took like 4 months pay or something, and now it's just like a month's pay. It's gonna get to the point where I can just buy one of these like every 2 weeks.
What, just buy a new car every 2 weeks? That's dumb. Never go for a Mackey's, me. Wonder what Chinese Mackey's is going to be like. What do you think? Look at that Mini, mate. That's brilliant. Classic.
There's a Bentley going past, but you can look at the Mini.
No, no, no. We want to look at the lights on the Mini. Yeah, that's what I'm on about. Look at that. Union Jacks on the Mini lights. That is fucking class.
This is where I spun out.
This is where you spun out?
Yeah, did a
Yeah,
360.
dickhead here fucking spun out, did a 360 round this roundabout. Clever boy. Did you get a parking ticket for that one or whatever?
I got the fuck out of there, no one reported
It's like
me.
France here, look at that. Roundabouts off of roundabouts.
Roundabouts.
Fucking hell, it is a roundabout off a roundabout. What? Right, here we are, we're at Sainsbury's. I've got to put the camera away now because I'm embarrassing Dad here and he's bribed me with cider, takeaways, snacks and everything my heart could desire, so I agreed not to take the camera into the store.
Trying to find a space which won't get me dinged by another car. You need to hold that.
We just get back to the fucking car? This is mad! We went in the store for like less than 5 minutes.
5 meters.
Look at this! It's like a swimming pool outside. You can see the fucking water flowing through the road. Oh my god!
Right, traction control is on. This is exactly how I always
Traction control is on. Yeah, don't go speeding along in this shit. Oh, that's mad. Good thing you put the roof up.
Yeah, no.
Well, that was a wonderful experience. Went into the supermarket for about 5 minutes and it started tipping down with rain. It's a little bit better now, so hopefully I can smuggle my stuff into that house without it being wet, but we will see. It was actually blue skies and sunny a moment ago, and now everything's just grey and wet. Bargain, mate.
Massive puddle there.
Is this your road?
Yeah.
No, Brexit's road. We'll call it Brexit Street.
That's my house.
Wow, these are pretty big The whole thing?
No, just the end one.
was about to say, fuck me, that's one house and you've got it all. That is massive.
Oh, yes, that's my house.
Fuck
Modest, you know.
Yeah, that's not modest at all, Will. Yeah, this is like a standard thing in Britain. We have semi-detached houses. So all the houses are like multiple houses in one building. Apart from that one, that looks like one house.
That's one house.
Yeah, these ones are okay.
Houses. It's quite a nice little like.
It's a nice little area, yeah.
Mike and Lucy.
Mike and Lucy. Hi, Mike and Lucy.
Everyone's in. Okay, I'm gonna park
Oh,
there.
oh, this is weird. Is this your house?
That's the house.
Oh, so we walk through the corridor
You
and
can, but best effort.
where are you going?
Through the back.
Oh. So we're gonna go and see Brexit's house. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with this footage. Loads of random shit. I never know what videos to make, even though I've got like 5 hours or more of footage. Thanks, Will. Oh, it's still raining. Fuck a duck. We're gonna have to make a runner. Go, go, go! Oh, we'll come back for it. Go get the camera in. Like, get inside. I'll come back for the back. We don't want to get our beaver wet. World's best boss. Oh, here we go. Inside, in the drive. Oh, it's quite nice actually, isn't it? Got kinda. You got a little seating area, a little TV, little dining table. Someone's having some Budweiser. Is your boot still unlocked? No. Ah, right. We'll have to go back out in a second. So here we are in Brexit land. Gonna have a tour of Brexit's house, embarrass him some more, walking around with the. What the fuck is this?
Machete.
Why is there a machete here?
Halloween.
You go trick or treating? You're like 25.
No, it's to make sure people don't turn up at the door.
Brilliant. Right, let's go. Oh.
Room 1.
Room number 1 is
Closet.
toilet. Oh, it's a closet. Oh, cleaning closet. Wow.
Yes. With automatic lights.
It's front door, I assume. Little kitchen. Oh, it's not bad, is it? It's not bad though. It's decent size. Not bad at all. Little kitchen. I'm used to student accommodation. Gonna be bigger than mine in China, of course. We've got a toilet.
One.
Oh, you got more than one toilet. Have you got a toilet each?
Yeah.
Oh, I bet you have. Whose is this?
Oh, it's just a shared. No, it's just the public one.
Ah.
Outside, we have a spy hole.
Oh, so this is where if you stick your eye through it, someone can just stab you with a knife through the fucking door. That's nice.
Yeah.
Out the stairs. Nice, classic English swirly staircase.
Yeah. My office. Which
Office.
Is also dirty.
Oh, it's not in a bedroom. He has an actual office.
Well, it should be a bedroom, but
Some of his models here he's worked on. Very nice. All painted up. Not all of them. A lot of them. Are these some of your original creeks? No, they're your own. No, they're Knights. Yeah.
original lights.
Wow, look at that. Crazy stuff. Very nice. Let's focus on that. Whoa, look at that. Beautiful. Very nice. Wish I had so much talent, but I don't. Look at that double screen. Bloody hell. An office. I'll never have an office. I'm always going to be too poor to have an office. He's even got a Christmas dog. Wow, alright, let's go.
Christie's room.
Christie's room. Oh. Someone's a bit of a messy boy, I think.
Yes, Christie's a messy boy.
Very messy boy.
Christie's bathroom.
Have you got 3
He's
bathrooms?
got like how much toilet paper he's gone through? Does it throw away?
Fucking hell, it's a bit of a tramp, isn't he, Will? You need to replace him.
Probably.
Oh, mate, that's bad. You see the toilet. Oh.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's a good thing you've got. Oh, what is this?
Boiler.
Boiler,
And
okay.
airing.
Very nice, very nice. You got your own toilet as well?
William's room.
Oh, you got the better room. Oh, you got ensuite. Oh, and your own shower. Has he got his own shower somewhere?
Yeah, it's in the bath.
Ah, you got the luxury bathroom. And look at this, no shit in sight. Brilliant. Much better. See, William here is an organised gentleman with standards.
Person, I like to think.
Oh, I'm not like them. I'm a businessman with standards.
A clean
Close
person.
that before the landlord gets pissed off and paints come up.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Wonderful.
And here
Oh, look at that. TV in bed.
is one of my
His little clothes closet. Very nice. And do a bit of fitness, Will. When's the last time you worked out?
Years ago.
Years ago, thought so.
It's more of a table.
So very nice. And do you know what I've been looking forward to, Will?
What?
I've got a really gut feeling of exactly where I'm going to sleep. Oh, I thought it was going to be on the rug, to be honest with you. Like, I was
Okay. I wish I had a single bed so that you don't have to sleep on the floor.
That's all right, Will. I think it's about time that I've experienced the luxury of sleeping on someone's floor.
Better than wood.
Whenever Brexit here visits me, he gets a hard wooden floor. I shit you not, nothing else, just fucking wood with a blanket and a couple of pillows. And that's how we remind him that he's only human. So yeah. Right, I'm going to go and turn this thing off now.